Move the wheels so that you can have access at the bolt. You are going to use this 12mm to remove these two bolts. Then remove the two bolts. After you remove the two bolts, you need to pull this one and put this on the top. Make sure that it will not pull down. Okay, it looks secured. After that, you need to remove these two springs. Then remove the disc brake. Make sure that you remember this pin. It should be on the top. Remove the other side. Here's the new disc brake. You will need these special tools to press the piston. If you don't have these special tools, if you have C-clamp, you can use C-clamp. Just put the old disc pad here and you can compress it. In this case, I have this special tool. I bought this at Amazon at $15. It's very cheap. It's good to have one. I'm going to put the description below. To use this one, just put this one here. Then after that, you're going to pump. Pump slowly until the piston will come in. Then release. Don't forget to put back the spring. After you put back the spring, now you can put this one. Put this back. After you put it back, screw. That's it. It only takes 5 minutes. As long as you have these tools or C-clamp. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe